In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer registration form in Shopify. Shopify Tutorial 2025. Start by opening your Shopify admin and head to the Shopify Forms app. From there, choose Create Form to start a new one. You'll see two format options, Pop-up Form and Inline Form. A pop-up appears over your pages and is great for quick captures, while an inline form sits directly on a page, like your account or a custom registration page. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with an inline form so it can live right on a page. Give your form a clear internal name so you can find it later, then click Create. Once the editor opens, customize the content. Update the main title to explain what the form is for, such as Create Your Account, and make it informative but short. Click into the first name field to adjust its label, placeholder, or required status. Then click Done to save that field's settings. Do the same for the email field, so it matches the tone of your store and collects exactly what you need. If you want to capture more details, select Add New Field and choose whichever field type fits your needs, such as a text field or a drop-down. Repeat, Add New Field again if you need additional information. Keep it simple. Fewer fields usually increase completion rates. Next, configure what happens after someone submits the form. Open the on-form submission settings and decide how you want to respond. For an inline registration form, a success message works well. Switch to the success state and update the title so it confirms that the submission was received. You can fine-tune the message body here too, keeping it friendly and clear. To keep your form on brand, open fonts and adjust typography to match your theme. Consistent headings and body text help your form feel integrated with the rest of your store. Since this is an inline form, you'll place it on a page through your theme editor. Shopify provides a form ID in the editor, along with guidance that says to add the inline form to an existing page template as a block or section. Copy that ID, then in your theme editor, add the Shopify form block or section to the page where you want it, and paste the ID so the correct form appears. When everything looks good, switch the form status to Published. Review the form view one more time and save any unsaved changes. That's it. Your registration